Looking for an efficient way to heat and cool your home? Mini-split heat pumps from Greeley Furnace Heating and Air offer a flexible solution for year-round comfort. Our experienced team specializes in installing, maintaining, and repairing mini-split systems, making it easy to enjoy precise temperature control in any room. Whether you're upgrading your current system or adding comfort to a new space, we're here to help. Our technicians are known for their honesty, professionalism, and attention to detail, ensuring every job is done right the first time. We understand that every home is different, so we'll assess your needs and recommend the best mini-split options for your layout and budget. Worried about being left in the cold? Our prompt service and customer-first approach mean you'll never have to wait long for help. From the first call to final installation, you can count on friendly support and clear communication. Ready to experience the benefits of a mini-split heat pump? Contact Greeley Furnace Heating and Air at 970-356-0121 today and discover comfort you can rely on all year long.